Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and set up the Google Authenticator on Bybit. This is a step-by-step guide so you should be able to follow easily. Now I am inside the Bybit application right here or website, and you have to go ahead and make sure that you have the right account logged into this website right here. After that, you could just go ahead and proceed by clicking on your profile info, and right below your profile you will be able to see the account and security, the fee rates, rewards, and more. Basically, you want to go ahead and click on account and security right here, and you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the advanced protection section. Right below that, you have the Google two-factor authentication. Just go ahead and click on the settings right here, and it will go ahead and send a verification code on your Google account. Well, you could just go ahead and proceed by going to your Google account, and after typing out the verification code on your email, you want to go ahead and download and install the Google Authenticator on your phone. Basically, you will be able to see a huge add a code right there. Scan a QR code and just go ahead and scan your QR code right here. And after scanning your QR code, you will be able to see the Google 2FA code, which in my case is going to be 179 space 780. Go ahead and click on confirm. And as you could go ahead and see right now, I have managed to enable Google two-factor authentication on my Bybit account. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.